Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kiana here with the new video. So I did a quick wash and go, and I wanted to show you guys how I did my DIY deep conditioner. But before we start, if you're not already subscribed, go click that subscribe button down there, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. If you're interested in how I got these curls, and just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting the DIY deep conditioner with my 8-day-old braid out. It was looking cute, but it's about time that I get deep conditioning. So I'm starting off with rice water. And if you're always on YouTube, you know that rice water has been the new trend. Next ingredient I will be using is honey, which is a humectant that helps retain moisture in your hair, and an emollient that helps soften and smoothen your hair, along with many other properties. Next is olive oil, which helps with dandruff and irritability in the scalp, eases split ends, and also softens the hair and increases strength in your hair. Lastly is mayonnaise, which helps promote hair growth through its main ingredients, which are egg yolks, vinegar, and oil, as well as acts as a conditioning treatment. It also defines curly hair and protects against color treated hair. Olive oil also helps increase your hair's growth and tames frizz. And lastly, mixing it with the rice water helps detangle hair, makes hair smooth and increases shine, strengthens the hair, and helps with hair growth and thickening. Rice water is a protein treatment, so I suggest using it on a small section first before you go on and add it to your daily or weekly hair regimen. As you all know, I separate my hair into sections to deep condition, and this works out best for me. I did end up having to go to the bathroom and applying the deep conditioner all throughout my hair over the sink. I suggest doing that instead, not only because it's runny, but because the smell is kind of weird. I put on a plastic bag and I wrap my microfiber towel around my hair for 30 minutes, and I just let it sit there. Once I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, I actually left it in for 45 because I was watching a show. You go off and wash your hair like normal. I love how soft and shiny my hair already looked. I didn't have much shedding, and my results were really good. Going into styling, I only used one product for this styling routine. I am using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner because it's been a while since I've used it, so I said, why not? You guys already know my styling routine. I pass my diamond brush to detangle once again. And of course, like, you know, I rake it through my hair, I scrunch, and all of that good stuff. So I'll just add some music here for you guys. the sun was going down, so my lighting was kind of like off, but you guys get the point and stuff. But yeah, don't forget to scrunch your hair and all of that jazz. I usually like flip my hair upside down, do a little scrunching, I flip it to the side, and then I just let it air dry. I do not diffuse. I don't know, I just don't like to. But yeah, I'll come back when my hair is fully dry. Okay guys, so the sun kind of like went down, so I'm using my light to catch the rest of this video. So yeah guys, these are my results. This is what it looks like. I feel like my hair is really soft, really shiny, really manageable. I've loved that Sheer Moisture product. I've been using it since last year and it works so well for me. My mom actually hates the smell, but I still like my results. These were actually my results from 4th of July. I had to do a quick mani change because my other ones are coming off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts for all other videos. Thank you so much for watching.